This video will show you the replacement process for the CAMM2 top cover, memory module, and connector used in select ThinkPad systems. The system shown in this video is the ThinkPad P1 Gen 7, but the process for other ThinkPad systems that contain CAMM2 memory will be very similar. Please consult the user guide or hardware maintenance manual for your system for more specific instructions. For most ThinkPad systems, you will need a screwdriver kit with a PH1 bit, a non-metallic pry tool, and 15 minutes of your time to complete the process of replacing the CAMM2 memory. Caution! To avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface, use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Next, you will need to remove the bottom cover from your system. This will usually require loosening several captive screws on the cover and then using a non-metallic pry tool to release several clips around the edges of the cover in order to remove it. The location of the CAMM2 memory in your system may be different than the location shown for the system in this video. Please consult the user guide or hardware maintenance manual for your system for more specific instructions. Using a PH1 bit, loosen 3 captive screws in reverse numerical order. Carefully lift the top cover vertically to remove it from the system. Avoid touching the contact area of the CAMM2 memory module by holding the edges and lift it from the system. Avoid touching the pin area of the connector and lift it from the system. Before installing each CAMM2 part, make sure the memory module compartment and contact areas are free of dust and contaminants. Without touching the pin area, lower the connector into place using the cutoff corner and mark on the system board for alignment. Hold the memory module by the edges and lower it into place onto the connector. Lower the top cover into place using the screw holes for alignment. Using a PH1 bit, tighten the screws in forward numerical order. To prevent the screws from loosening, tighten the screws again in forward numerical order. Once the memory has been installed, place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Then tighten all the captive screws to completely secure the cover in place. Once the cover has been installed, plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as self-repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.